In today's video, I'm going to teach you Bank Feeds Introduction, how to set up in QuickBooks Pro. To get started, go to the top menu in QuickBooks and click Banking. From there, choose Bank Feeds and then select Set up Bank Feed for an account. This will open the setup process and take you to the next screen, where you can click Continue to move forward. At this point, the Bank Feed setup wizard will begin. This wizard is designed to guide you through the setup in a simple, organized way, so you do not have to figure everything out on your own. The process is broken into 4 main parts: finding your bank, connecting it, linking it, and then finishing the setup. First, you will look for your bank inside the wizard. QuickBooks will usually provide a search field or a list so you can find the financial institution you want to connect. Take your time here and make sure you choose the correct bank, especially if there are similar names or multiple options. Next comes connecting the bank. This is the part where QuickBooks works with your bank's online connection settings so the account can communicate with the software. As you go through this stage, simply follow the prompts shown in the wizard. The instructions on screen are there to help you complete the connection properly. After that, you will move on to linking. This step is important because it tells QuickBooks which existing account in your company file should be matched with the connected bank account. In other words, you are making sure downloaded banking activity goes to the right place. Be careful when selecting the account so your records stay accurate and organized. Once that is done, you will reach the final part of the wizard. This is where the setup is completed, and QuickBooks confirms that your bank feed is ready to use. At that point, the connection has been established and you can begin working with your bank transactions through QuickBooks more efficiently. The main thing to remember throughout this process is to follow the steps provided directly in the Setup wizard. QuickBooks is built to walk you through each stage clearly, so as long as you move step by step, the setup is usually straightforward, and that's it. That's how to set up bank feeds in QuickBooks Pro. Once you've gone through the wizard, you're ready to continue using the feature inside your workflow.